Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, POCO X5, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable caller ID announcement on this device. So to do it, just open phone application, click on the three dots button on the right top corner, click settings, scroll down again, choose caller ID announcement, announce caller ID, and now choose one of these settings. Always announce or only when using headset. I want to use this feature because I don't want to everyone hear who calls me. I want to use this feature when I'm riding on bike and my smartphone is in my backpack and I have a headset in my ears, and in this way I will hear who calls me and I can answer by tapping on my headset. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.